Now this is CH3COOH react with the NaOH. Then already we know that this is C1 concentration, this is C2 concentration already given in the box. So now this is B moles I given, or C1 moles, B moles, this C2 moles consider. Now here also three cases are possible. One case is C1 is equal to B, C1 is equal to B, both are limiting reagent, then which is there in our reaction vessel? Only salt. Only salt is present, that is therefore CH3COO Na only present, then which is here this salt? Weak acid, strong base salt, strong is dominating, therefore pH is greater than 7. That time formula salt hydrolysis with the strong base is pH is equal to 7 plus half of, here weak acid symbol is there, therefore pKa plus log C, this is the formula. Okay, then that time pKa value may be given or Ka given, then you have to connect with pKa, log C will be given, then substituting the formula you will get the pH. So this is first case. Second one case, what is there? C2 is greater than, so not C2, C1 is greater than B. Then this is limiting reagent, that time this limiting reagent means what is it? C1 minus B, then here C2 plus B. Now in the reaction vessel salt will be there and acid will be there, therefore this is acidic buffer solution, that time pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration C2 plus B by C1 minus B. Third one case, what is the formula? C1 is limiting reagent less than the B, then that in this limiting reagent this is the base and salt will be there. So that time we have to follow which one? Base is there and here salt is there. But salt pH is nearly not that much effect, so base is there, therefore that time pH, because this is more amount is there, this is less amount is there, therefore OH minus ion concentration is equal to strong base, that is OH minus ion equal to strong base, that is NaOH in this case. Later we have to calculate, that is pH, first to calculate pH, then pOH is equal to 14, substitute in this formula, then you will get the pH. So like this, these are somewhat NEET level and JEE Mains level formulas, these three cases, and I explain only with the acidic buffer. Same concept you have to try with the basic buffer solution, that is a homework for you, but I explain very clearly, same you apply for the basic buffer solution. And now buffer range. Buffer range is, here salt by acid concentration is there, because our formula what is that? pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Then salt concentration by acid concentration is 1 by 10 greater than the 1 by 10 or less than the 10. In this case, that is a act as a better buffer, but salt by acid concentration close to 1 is there, that is a best buffer, because now you can put here in this formula 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means what is that? 10 power minus 1 in the numerator form. Therefore, 10 power minus 1 means in this case pH is equal to pKa minus 1. Buffer range. Next, if you put this 10 here, salt by acid concentration 10 log 10 1, that time here 10 log 10 value what is that? 1. Therefore, pH is equal to pKa plus 1. This is the best buffer range. If they ask a buffer solution has pH is equal to 9, then what is its range meaning? 8 to, here 8 means 1 minus we have to do, 1 is extra we have to do, then it is 10. In this range, this is a buffer range of that solution. Okay. Another one formula is buffer capacity. Buffer capacity formula is denoted by psi is equal to dx by dph. Dx mean what is that? The amount of acid or base added to 1 liter buffer solution to change 1 unit pH. To change 1 unit pH. So directly they may ask definition also or formula also. This dx is equal to, formula is this total 2.303 into A into B by A plus B. This is the formula. A is concentration of acid or base. This is or, don't consider acid by base. This acid or base. B is concentration of salt. So this is mains level formula. CET NEET level also may not be asked this one. This one may be asked, but this formula is equal. This one is JEE mains level they will ask, and based on this problem also they may ask. This is about buffers. Now we will discuss about some problems about buffer solution. So I will remove this first. Note down this all formulas. Whenever comes that you have to use. Okay. Where this buffer solution? Now question is, which of the following is buffer solution? Which of the following is buffer solution? Option A, 500 ml of 0.1 N acetic acid plus 500 ml of 0.1 N NaOH. Then B option is 500 ml all is same, 0.1 N acetic acid plus 500 ml of same, this is 0.1 N HCl. And C option is same 500 ml of 0.1 N acetic acid plus 500 ml of 0.2 N NaOH. Next D, 500 ml of 0.2 N acetic acid plus 500 ml of 0.1 N NaOH. Then which is the correct answer? Now when acid base given, always try to write the equation that is easy to answer. Now CH3COOH plus, one thing we can easily eliminate, this is not answer. Why? Because acidic buffer solution mean weak acid plus its salt with the strong base. Acid react to give salt, not possible. Therefore this is acid, therefore that is not answer. So elimination part also very important. Answer may be NaOH, NaOH, NaOH. In these three cases may be there. Therefore NaOH combined to form CH3 COO Na plus H2O. Then in which cases we have the buffer solution? This should be limiting reagent, because this will be present, mean what is that? Weak acid and its salt. Then that cases is the buffer solution will be there. Therefore first we can calculate the millimoles. Millimoles how to calculate? Normality is equal to, now here normality given, therefore milli equivalent we have to calculate N by V in liter. This is called number of equivalent. Otherwise N is equal to N by V in milliliter, then this is called milli equivalent. So now I am calculating N is milli equivalent, that equal to N into V in milliliter. Now 500 into 0.1, then 10 cancel 50. This is 500 and 0.1, this is called 50. If both are limiting region only solid form, then this is not answer. First case. Second case, already we know that. This is A, B is not, already we know. C, what is there here? 500 into 0.1, 50 milli equivalent, and 500 into 0.2. Then what is there here? This 10, this is cancel. 2 into 50, that is 100. Okay. Correct? 50 into 2. Okay, 100 only is there. And next D cases, what is there? 500 into 0.2. 500 into 0.2, same thing here, this point cancel, and 50 into 200. And this is 500 into 0.1, this is cancel 50. Now already I told you that to get the buffer solution, this should be limiting region. So this is not, both are equal is there, then both are limiting region. This is higher is there, therefore here it is not limiting region. No need to calculate, that is correct D answer. Because it is higher, this is lower, mean 50 react, then 50 left. Because 50-50 react means 50 amount react, 50 amount react, then 50 left, and this is form 50. Then which is present now in this reaction? Acid present and salt present. Therefore this is acidic buffer solution. Like this we have to answer. Then only it is easy. Next, if 20 ml of 20 ml of 0.1 m NaOH 0.1 m NaOH is added to 30 ml of 0.2 N 0.2 m acetic acid, pK value given for this acetic acid is 4.74. Then calculate the pH of resulting solution. Calculate the pH of resulting solution. Then how to calculate this is, when acid base given, always try to write the equation. First I will give the options. Option note down better. Here only I will give options. A option is 4.4, B option is 9.56, C option is 8.96, D option is 9.26. Okay. So now how to calculate? Observe. Like this equation, right? CH3COOH plus NaOH gives rise to CH3COO Na plus H2O. First, here what is given? Molarity given, then millimoles we can calculate. 20 into 0.1, 2. Here 30 into 0.2, then this is cancel 0.0, and 3 into 2, 6 millimoles. So reverse I wrote, reverse, because this is for 6, this is for this, because this is for acid, this is for base. Now which is limiting region? This is limiting region dash, then here 6 minus 2, that is a 4. Then here how much form? 2 form. Therefore we know that here the pKa given directly, no need to calculate the pKa, already given. Then pH is equal to pKa plus log salt by acid. Okay. Then pK is how much? 4.74 plus log salt how much? 2, acid how much? 4, 1 by 2. Then 4.74. See, this is 1 by 2 is there. Log 2 value how much? 0.3010. 1 by 2 mean how much? Minus 0.3010. Otherwise 0.3 only consider. Then what you will get? 4 point, only this one I am considering rough value, 7 minus 0.3, 4.4 nearly. Therefore answer A option, rough value you can calculate. Like this we have to calculate. These are very, very important. You should know that the process how to calculate. Next, what is the pH of a solution of, now the question is, what is the pH of a solution of 0.28 m acetic acid only given, 0.2 m acid and 0.84 m conjugate base, nothing but it is acid plus conjugate base mixture is known as the acidic buffer solution. If the ionization constant means Ka is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 4 they given. Then what you have to calculate now? Options, first I will give here. Options are 3.88, B 4, sorry, not 4, 3.34, C 7, D 10.12, 10.12. Then here easy to answer. Acidic buffer meaning what is that? pH should be nearly less than 7 required. So less than 7 means this is not. Then answer may be in these two, because this is acidic buffer, acid is there and conjugate base is there. Now we know that first pH formula this one, but here Ka given, then pKa is equal to negative logarithm of Ka. This formula we know. Therefore, minus negative logarithm of Ka means 4 into 10 power minus 4. Therefore, directly I know, that's why I am fast calculating here. Then this is 4 minus log 4 value 0.6. Therefore, 0.6. Then 4 minus 0.6 is 3.4. Correct? Then this is pK. Now you can use. Now in this formula, pKa plus something is there. Then added meaning here pK is 3.4. This is how much is there? 3.34 is there. So now you can use this formula, pH is equal to 3.4 plus log salt concentration how much given? 0.84 by acid concentration how much? 0.24 is given. Anyway, numerator value will get something. Therefore, 3.4 plus something value you have to add when this is answer. No need to total calculate. If you are calculating total also, you will get answer same. But you can stop here also, because 3.4 plus something means this is greater than this value only. Therefore, answer A only. Like this, these are the simple tricks. If you follow, then time saving for each question, then you can utilize for other question. These are very important things. Next, which one of the following mixture does not act as a buffer solution? Does not buffer solution. Option A, boric acid plus, it means iron given here, borax. B, sodium phosphate, they are given name, I am writing formula, sodium phosphate and disodium hydrogen, it means Na2, disodium means Na2 hydrogen phosphate. C option, sodium propanoate, CH3 CH2 COO Na, sodium propanoate plus propanoic acid, CH2 COO Na, weak acid, weak base salt, okay. D, sodium acetate, they given name, and sodium propionate, this look like this is buffer solution, but acetate is there here, then here acetic acid required, both are salt, this is, therefore this is not the buffer solution. Remaining are salt, C option is propanoic acid, this is propanoic acid, then this is acid, salt, this is already I told you that in the polyprotic acids they behave like that, this is acidic nature, this is salt, this is salt, this is acid, therefore A, B, C are buffer solution, remaining is fourth one is not. Okay. Next one, with respect to one base also we can solve now. An aqueous solution, question is, an aqueous solution where at room temperature 0.1 m with respect to an aqueous solution at room temperature 0.1 m with respect to ammonium chloride and 0.01 m with respect to ammonium hydroxide. pKb given, that is 5. Then what is the pH? Then by looking this question, immediately you have to conclude that the salt hydrolysis or buffer solution are normal pH calculation. So one is salt is there, another is weak base is there. Immediately in your mind should be strike, this is a buffer solution. For buffer solution, what is the formula? I given for acidic buffer solution formula, basic buffer I given for you, that is homework. Then how to calculate that? See, when base is there, POH will be there first, then pKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. Same formula like the acid. pH formula, what is that? pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Here acid, that's why A is there, here base, that's why B is there. Here acid, here base, remaining everything same. Acid, that's why pH, base, that's why pOH. Now we know that P and options I will give first, then you will answer easily. What are the options are there for this question? pH, option is 7.5, B 6.8, C 6.5, D 8. Therefore, now how to calculate? This is basic buffer solution, therefore this is not answer, this is not answer. Answer may be in these two, A or D. Therefore, now POH is equal to pKb. pKb value given, that is a 5 plus log salt concentration how much? 0.1, 10 power minus 1, base concentration 10 power minus 2. Then this is cancelled, minus 1 is left, denominator goes numerator, then 1, then 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. Therefore, this is POH. Now we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. Then it goes right side, minus 14 minus 6, that is pH is equal to 8. Answer is D option. Like this you have to calculate. Next. Question is pKa of NH4 plus is 9.26, hence effective range for NH4OH, NH4Cl, this mixture that is called buffer, is about pH. A option is 8.26 to 10.26, B option is 4.74 to 5.74, C option is 3.74 to 5.74, D 8.26 to 9.26. So now they are asking the buffer range, effective range. Range, what is the formula? pH range is pKa minus 1, another one is pH is equal to pKa plus 1. Anyway, this is basic buffer solution, therefore these are not answer because these are less than 7 is there, then answer may be D or A. But this same value is given, therefore this is not answer. one extra required pKa plus one type required, therefore answer this is simple. Like this question will ask, that is a very very important thing, you have to remember all the concepts. So now we completed which one? Buffer solution. After this we have solubility product. Solubility product concept is very important in this chapter. For any CET level 2 JEE Mains NEET any level, the first important goes to solubility product, then pH. So remember, solubility product respective questions are very 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 important. Then keep in mind which salts are soluble, which salts are insoluble. All nitrate salts are soluble. Note down this point. Rank shortcut, note down all nitrate salts with respect any cation is there. NO3 minus is there, meaning here NO3 minus, nitrate salts soluble. All nitrate salts here. All nitrate salts soluble. Okay. And first group cation, 1A group cations is there. Sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium. Any anion here. Salts. It means along with the chloride, bromide, iodide, phosphate, like this, any is there. With respect, these salts are soluble in water. If you don't know then which of the soluble, which of the is insoluble, then it is difficult. And one more thing is KSP given, that is sparingly soluble salt. Generally phosphates, sulfides, carbonates, hydroxides are insoluble salt, but not all. So only few are insoluble salts will be there. Now consider AXBY. This is solid. Then this will be AXBY aqueous. Then this will be ionized into A. How it dissociates? X moles of Y plus Y moles of X minus. Like this, it is dissociated. This is aqueous. This is aqueous. Like this, this is dissociated. This is called dissolution. This is called dissociation. Okay. Now, X moles is there, X moles. T equal to 0 time, nothing is there. T equal to T equilibrium time, like this, minus X dissociate from this, then it form X moles. This is S solubility concept, minus S. Therefore, X moles of solubility, this is Y moles of solubility. Then we know that KSP is equal to, directly I am writing here, this is nothing but equilibrium expression, AY plus concentration power X and B X minus concentration power Y. This is a formula. Then what is the definition of this? KSP means solubility product. Constant is solubility product, constant, or simply you can say solubility product. Then how to define this is solubility product is a product mean multiply. Product of, not product mean reactant gives a product, that is not here. Product mean multiply here. Product of reactant concentration and their stoichiometric equations are raised to powers at 25 degrees Celsius at given temperature, because we know that Kw value, Ka value, Kb value, all constant in this chapter depends on temperature. Temperature increases, Ka, Kb, Kw, Ksp, all K values will be increased. This shortcut you remember, very important. Therefore, what is the unit for this? Ksp unit is m square, because this is m, this is also m, therefore m square. According to the stoichiometric equation also will come. This is at 25 degree Celsius. Okay. Now, its concentration at equilibrium is, what is that? X moles of S power X, Y moles of S power Y. Therefore, this can